CANopen Logxaminer is a PC software running on Windows. No CAN interface is required. It is used for analysis of log files for CANopen and CANopen FD networks and can handle a wide range of log file formats. It can also handle very large log files. In this tech brief video, I will go over the events feature of the software. This tech brief video shows the event list and how it can be used to analyze and understand a log file. I have a log file that I wish to examine. Currently I don't know anything about the contents or the network, so let's take a look. The first step is to import the log file by clicking on the Import button. Now we can see the messages that appeared on the bus. In the first column there are icons for a couple of messages. This is a power icon indicating that the software has detected a node starting up. These icons allow quick scrolling through the log file to determine when nodes appeared on the bus or to find the start of new power cycles for the entire network. We can perform an analysis of the log file by clicking on the Analyze button. The first event shown is informational and says Good System Start. This means that the start of the log file corresponds to the start of the network. It's not necessary for a log file to be recorded in that way, but it does indicate that in this case we have a good known initial state. Looking down the list of events, we can see there are some STO aborts for node 1. Right-clicking on the event allows jumping directly to the corresponding point in the log file. We can see at this point something, perhaps an analysis tool or a manager, was scanning the PDOs of node 1 to see what was implemented in the node. The CAN message that caused the event has an event icon shown. When scrolling through the log file, we can quickly see which messages were interesting to the analysis algorithm. Right-clicking on one of these messages allows jumping directly to the corresponding event. Looking further down the event list, we see the point where the heartbeat time for node 1 was set to 1000 milliseconds. We can go to this message in the log. There is an important event showing when all nodes were set to operational. This is followed by a couple of informational messages that tell us how quickly the first PDOs appeared on the bus. In this case 3 and 4 milliseconds. The timestamps shown in the log file are set to absolute mode, so we can see that the network management message to set all nodes to operational came 15 seconds after the first message in the recording. We can perform measurements between any two messages by right-clicking and choosing Set Timestamp 0 point. The timestamp of this particular message is now 0. The messages that appeared before it on the bus now have negative timestamps, and the messages that appeared after it have positive timestamps. This message is a network message to set all nodes to pre-operational mode. Looking at the timestamp, we can see that it occurred 3.403 seconds after the operational message, so we know that the nodes were operational for that length of time. We can perform analysis of parts of a log file. For example, right-click on the network management message and choose Analyze from here. New statistics and event windows open, but only for the part of the log file from that message to the end. This allows breaking up analysis into logical parts. This can be useful when a log file covers many hours or days and contains multiple network starts and shutdowns. We can see in this partial analysis that there are 2 errors indicating there were no bootups of nodes 1 and 2. We would expect this because the only bootup messages were at the start of the log file. In this case, we would enter a comment to indicate we understand why this is and why it should be ignored. Right-clicking on the error will take us back to the log file. We can see that this is a heartbeat message. The analysis algorithm has determined that the heartbeat message without a bootup message first is an error, as we would expect. I hope this gives you a good overview of the events in CANopen Logxaminer and how it can help in quickly finding issues and areas of concern in large log files.